Today we are going to paint a thistle. The first thing we need to do is get the brush really wet, and then to make a nice green, we're going to use all the greens that you have. So use both greens, and then you're going to want to add a little bit of yellow and a little bit of the dark brown, just to make a nice natural green. You can get your brush as wet as you need to in order to soften these colors up. Now we're going to fill in the stems of the thistle with the green you've just mixed. Now each time you dip your brush back into your little palette, you're probably going to get a little bit of a different shade of green because you've mixed multiple colors. That is a good thing. So don't worry if part of the thistle is lighter and part of it's darker. Now on to painting the leaf. Here I suggest trying to blend your greens a little bit more. Start filling in the leaf with the green you're already using for the stems. Then, without rinsing your brush, keep that green on there and dab onto a brown or a yellow in your paint palette, and then start painting onto the leaf. Watch the colors blend together to give a more natural look. This is fun to play around with. Alright, now that all of the green areas of your painting are dry, we're going to move on to painting the thistle flower. You're going to want to mix the blue, the purple, and the red all together to get a really natural purplish blue look. Okay, while painting your thistle, try to remember to keep some white space. It's important to loosen up here and to keep a wet brush. Keeping a variation of color is key as well. Some blue and some more bluish purple. You can see here that I go back over some parts of the thistle with a darker or a lighter little wash of color. This helps give the flower a little bit of depth. Okay, now the last part and the fun part. Use your brush to make little dots and dashes for that spiky thistle look. You really cannot go wrong here.